10 things I wish I knew as a new lash artist. Hey girlie, if you just graduated beauty school and you want to build a career as a successful lash artist, this video is for you. I've been in the lash industry for over 7 years, and today I am sharing the 10 things I wish I knew when I first started. These tips will help you save time, money, and help you grow a booked out lash biz from scratch. And before we get started, follow me on Instagram at TheRealLashes or follow me on TikTok at TatianaG16 for more lash business tips, behind the scenes, and daily inspo. Tip number 1, pick one focus and master it. Don't offer everything all at once. Lashes, brows, nails, facials. Pick one style, like hybrid or classic, and just master it and build your brand on that foundation. Confidence comes from consistency, and your clients can feel that and see that. Tip number 2, invest in a real lash course. Beauty school teaches you the basics, but it doesn't prepare you for the real world of lashing. Take a specialized course that teaches lash placement, glue control, styling, and the business aspect of being in the lash industry. Trust me when I say this, it's one of the best investments you can make, especially if you're ready to take this career seriously. Tip number 3, build a professional kit. Start with high quality tweezers, adhesives, and products. I know Amazon is tempting, but invest in professional brands such as London Lash, EBL, Lashbox LA, Elon Butte, or Balletta. Those are some of my personal favorites. This will give you better retention and results. Your work is only as good as your tools, so invest in high quality products because they will make your life a lot easier. Tip number 4, build your portfolio early. As soon as you know you're gonna take lashing seriously, start building your portfolio. Take pictures, take videos, anything to be able to showcase yourself. Even if you're doing sets for free, get content. Content is gold. Maybe some before and after videos, some boomerangs, some pictures of your setup. I can give you a list of ideas. The ideas are endless. Just Google them, but post and create content. Post everything on your stories, especially as a beginner. Post. Your Instagram is your resume. That's how people find you. Show people what you do, not just what you say. Tip number 5, learn eye shapes and styling. One size does not fit all. Every eye is different. Take the time to learn how to properly style someone's eyelashes based off their facial features. Learn how to lash map based on eye shape, and that's how you're gonna stand out from the crowd. Because there's many lash artists out there, but you gotta stand out. And how will you stand out? By styling people's eyes versus just slapping anything on them. That's how you're gonna create custom looks and truly wow your clients. Tip number 6, retention is queen. Clients will leave when their lashes fall out too fast. So learn how to properly attach your extension to the natural lash. Learn adhesive control. That is key to getting a good lash application and good retention. Understand your humidity, how to properly isolate every lash, and educate your clients on aftercare. Education is key. A lot of people don't know how to properly take care of their lash extensions. So educate them. Good retention equals loyal clients. Trust me, I know. Tip number 7, practice client communication. Learn how to properly explain styles, set boundaries, and handle client complaints professionally. Remember, we want to be professionals. We want to stand out and give clients good quality customer service, and this starts by properly communicating with them. Being confident helps you build trust and protects your peace. Tip number 8, use a booking system. A booking system will save you tons of time. No more booking through DMs. Set up an online booking system such as Square, Vagaro, GlossGenius. There's so many softwares out there that you can use that are sometimes free. And if they're not, invest in it. It makes you look professional and gives you peace of mind and gives clients 24-hour access to your calendar. That means more bookings for you. Tip number 9, lash in a smart location. Your location is key to your success. You don't need anything fancy like a studio to start. No, that's not what I'm saying. Lash from home if you're allowed to. Rent a space part-time at a salon, like a shared communal space. Find a chair somewhere. Make your setup look presentable. Make sure it is clean, calm and comfortable for your clients. Remember, you're trying to tell your clients you're a legit business and you're professional, so your environment is key to demonstrating that. When I moved to a new city, I started in the back of a nail salon. It was not the greatest, but it was professional. It was in a beauty environment where I was exposed to a lot of people and clientele. Tip number 10, market yourself like you mean it. Post even when you don't have clients. Consistency is key in this industry. You have to hustle. Show your journey, share the behind the scenes, talk about how you need clients, celebrate the small wins. Oh my God, you got one client, that's amazing. Share that. That one client that you got, ask her, hey, I'm trying to grow my clientele. Can you send me more clients, please? Trust me when I tell you, people book with people, not logos. Use IG and TikTok. They're free, powerful resources. How do you think I grew? I was just consistently posting on TikTok and Instagram. Personally, Instagram is my best friend because that's where I get 95% of my clientele. But just trust the process and don't give up. At least for the first 3 months, my tip is to post every single day. So whether you're just starting or you're feeling stuck, just don't give up. Don't give up. Every lash artist starts from zero. I know I did. I didn't get here just coincidentally. Keep practicing, keep posting, and treat this like a real business. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please comment this emoji down below so I know you're in your lash girl era. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This helps me so much so I can give you guys more lash tips, client strategies, and beauty business advice every week. You've got this. Now go create something amazing and wow your friends. And if you need more tips and advice, check out my website. I have a couple free downloadable PDFs as well as some paid ones that will really help you elevate your lashing game. Until next time, my name is Tatiana Garcia. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!